9.4, graphing quadratic equation. Learning objectives: graph quadratic equation to find the vertex of the parabola. The parabola, usually it's like, this is the shape of the parabola. Okay, and it involves values like this, where the power is what? The highest power is what? Even. Okay, so it could be 2, could be 4. Now, what's the vertex? It's the highest point or the lowest point? The highest point or lowest point. So here, is this the highest or lowest? So this is called vertex. And is this highest or lowest? This is called vertex. Axis. We have axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. What's mean symmetry? Okay. So it means if I have a graph like this, and this is the y-axis, right? But this one here, you see this line here? It comes here and it repeats itself into the left side. So the line of symmetry is what? What? It's the y-axis, correct? Is this clear? So this is line of symmetry, because the one on the right side is the same like the one on the left side. Just like the mirror. When you stand in the front mirror, what happened to you? You see yourself, right? So the mirror is your symmetry line. So please use those words to use in the statement below. Okay, so let's go for the first one. Graphing the equation y equal x squared and y equal negative x squared. First, I need to find the vertex. Okay, to get the vertex, it's negative b over 2a. That's a to get the vertex. So we get the x equal negative b over 2a. How much is b? How much is a? 1. How much is b? 0. Because this one is like x squared plus 0x plus 0. Okay, so how much is a? 1. How much is b? How much is c? 0. Is this clear? Those are the values. Right. How can I graph it? We said b is 0, right? Negative 0 over how much is a? 1. So how much is the value? 0. So that means 0 and 0. So your symmetric line, your vertex line is 0, 0. It's over there. This is your what? Symmetry line. Yes.
How much is C? How much is C?
C is 0. B is 0. A is 1. Now I can show you something else here. Y equal x squared, correct? So x, we said how much? 0. So how much is y? 0. So that's your first point. 0, 0. What about if x is 1? How much is y? If x is 1, how much is y? 1 square, right? Which is 1. So it's 0, 1. So you put 0, and what is 1? I'm sorry, it's 1 and 0. So 1, no, it's 1 and 1. Yes, 1 and 1, right? Yes, 1 and 1. So where is 1 and 1? Over there. So what if I put negative 1? How much is y? Negative 1 and 1. So the other point is here. So how many points you have? 3 points. So your graph will look like, who can tell me what's the graph look like? It's a curved shape like this, right? And what is your vertex point? What is your vertex point? This is your A vertex. Clear? Yes, we finished with the first one, which is this one, right? Now we'll go to the second one. Again, where are you talking about? Here? Where? Here? Here? Yes. From here. Okay, it's written there. What about this one? How can we solve this one? We put x 0. How much is y? Which is equal how much? 0, right? So this point is what? 0, 0. So you have another point here. Next one. X is 1. How much is y? Negative 1. So it's 1 and negative 1. What is 1 and negative 1? Over there. Last point. Put negative 1. So y equal negative 1 squared. Y equal what? Negative 1. So it's negative 1, negative 1. So when you have, this is negative x squared. This is a graph of negative x squared. It's the opposite. You see the opposite? Can you see it? Opposite shape. So you have to make the table.